Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club end of week commodity report, the non-members edition for the 2nd of December 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and providing a wrap-up of the week's events. The session will be covering a weekly market wrap-up with a snapshot of the latest developments, commodity watch list, our top pick for the week ahead, portfolio performance update, our top trade of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We are regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please visit our website, which is at www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Weekly market wrap-up, a snapshot of the latest developments. This week we have seen a phenomenal move on oil following on from OPEC's first output cut in 8 years. We've seen oil surge to over 16-month highs. Now, we discussed this in a lot of detail on Monday's report, the opportunity which this OPEC announcement would present. We broke it down for you step by step, the trade setup, what we would look at in terms of the technicals, the fundamentals, and that has played out perfectly. So I congratulate all of you that actually took that information on board. You've utilized that to trade this announcement, and also to all of our members and the new members as well who have joined us at the Gold and Silver Club and have benefited by over 400 points on this breakout trade following on from Wednesday's OPEC announcement. Now, essentially, the way this played out is we saw oil prices breach over 16-month highs after OPEC's first deal to cut production in 8 years. Oil initially jumped 9% to over $50 a barrel immediately following on from the announcement on Wednesday, and Brent crude oil surged a further 4% on Thursday to hit $54 a barrel, and WTI crude oil hit $52 a barrel. That represents a 100% increase from the January 2016 lows, which is a phenomenal move given where we started the year back in January at $26 per barrel. So with that, we'll move over to the oil chart and we'll discuss what to expect next. Commodity watch list, our top pick for the week ahead. So our main focus is going to be on WTI crude oil. You will note again here where we had a perfect pennant formation yet again, which was comprised of lower highs and also higher lows. This is very typical, this consolidation that you get prior to OPEC announcements. We had exactly the same formation here going back to the September OPEC meeting, which then saw a 6% surge in one day and subsequently a 10% move. As we've been discussing during the last two reports, you did not want to miss this trading opportunity. It's played out exactly as we anticipated and with the magnitude that we were expecting as well. You can imagine here we've seen over a 9% move on Wednesday and subsequently over a 13% move here over the last 3 days. We've seen a very large surge to the upside after OPEC's first deal to cut production in 8 years. And you can see right into the Friday close, we have closed right at the daily highs here. We're sitting right at $52 a barrel for light sweet crude oil. So what do we need to assess as we go into a fresh week here? Now, as we've discussed previously, an OPEC move is slightly more unusual than your typical breakout on oil in that you can continue to have consecutive gains, higher highs, higher lows for sustained periods of time following on from an announcement like this. And you need to know how to play this move. And with that, in terms of further details, if you want to find out the next entry levels, exit levels, take profit levels, how to manage this trade moving forward and how to add to the position, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session. During the course of the week, all of our private members who took the trade have benefited with a 400-point profit on this position. If we have a look at the price structure, you will note where we have just very simply, we've found support at the lower end of the trend channel, higher lows here on higher timeframes on the weekly chart. And this is a very significant surge that we've seen over the course of this week. From lows to highs here, you see it's over a 700-point candle. It's a bullish engulfing candle, and it has also closed right at the weekly highs here as well. So we've got the potential certainly to follow through as we go to next week. Now, in terms of the major levels that we are forecasting, that we're looking at on this, that is reserved for our private members at the Gold and Silver Club. But what I will say is do pay attention to the fact that we have closed right at the weekly highs here. And also, if you go over to the monthly chart, we've also formed over the month of November a hammer candle, so a rejection candle here on the monthly, which has now been breached to the upside. And in fact, I would also just draw your attention to the V-shaped reversal pattern, which is now formed here on oil, going back to the double bottom that we formed in February. And we have a very clear neckline, which is sitting above here at $52 a barrel. This is a major level that we are getting ready to breach as we go into next week. We've got a lot of momentum behind this move at the moment. What you do need to keep abreast of is the latest developments with regard to the OPEC decision. You really need to know what you're doing in order to trade this move correctly. Certainly the breakout trade has worked out perfectly for us at the Gold and Silver Club. We did mention, of course, on last week's report that this is what you want to look out for, this ricocheting of price into the pennant here. You want to look for a breakout either on news that we've got a deal, a breakout for a long position to take advantage of that explosive move that would occur, or if there was no deal agreed, we would see the opposite occur. We would have seen a sell-off, which you could have taken advantage of. But as it stands, we've taken advantage of the breakout and the surge to the upside here, and there are going to be more gains in the weeks to come here, and you want to make sure that you're positioning yourself to capitalize. If you haven't made money this week on oil, you definitely should have done, because this has been a phenomenal opportunity to make a lot of money very quickly, and it's been such a straightforward trading opportunity if you knew what to do in terms of entry, exit, take profit levels, and following on from that, how to manage the trade. So again, if you would like to find out more, become a private member, gain access to all of our services at the Gold and Silver Club so you don't miss out on opportunities like this, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we'll provide you with full details of how you can make an application and join us and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Portfolio performance, trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Over the course of the last week, our top trades have included palladium, oil, and also natural gas. Now, palladium, we took advantage of a very overbought condition after palladium rallied more than 25% during the month of November. And you can see here where we've got very overbought, and we've very simply taken advantage of a sell short from this overbought condition, banking 260 points profit into the close today. We've also, of course, taken advantage of this entire breakout so far on WTI crude oil, following on from Wednesday's OPEC announcement with the first deal to cut production in 8 years. We've taken advantage of a 400-point breakout in just over 24 hours, and we've also capitalized on the recent breakout here on natural gas from a major level of support for 310 points profit. Would you like access to highly profitable live trade ideas shared with you, ready to implement for instant results? Whether you're a new trader looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or even if you're an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. As a member of the private members live trading room, you get access to exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the commodity markets right in front of you, picking out highly profitable trade setup, sharing exact entry, exit points, profit and stop loss targets, as well as walk you through live trade ideas ready to implement for instant results. You get access to real-time trade notifications alerting you when to enter a trade. All notifications include exact details of where to enter, exit, place a stop loss. All trade notifications are sent out in advance notice to ensure you have plenty of time to get into every single position at the best possible price to maximize profits. And of course, you get access to our commodity research and market insights. So private members get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market insights to help you boost your win rate and ensure you're on the right side of every trade. Our trading research is guaranteed to give you the ultimate edge in the commodity markets and fast track your results. The private members live trading room includes exclusive weekly live trading room webinars, Live trade setups ready to implement for instant results. You get real-time trade notifications by email and SMS so you never miss a profitable trade. You get exact details of where to enter, exit and place your stop loss on each trade, a weekly trading plan with a watch list of trade ideas for the week ahead, live trade support to help you successfully through each trade, and institutional level trading research and commodity insights to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com. Complete the application form and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So with that, I wish you all a fantastic weekend, good trading, and of course we very much look forward to working with those of you who will be making the application and joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.